So we have two other mechanisms that we can use to kind of manipulate our loops a little bit, and they're known as our break statement and our continue statement. Now they work in kind of different ways. They break out of the loop, but they break out and do different things. The first one is, what does the break do? Well, how the break works is it explicitly exits out of the loop. So if we took a look at this code for a second, while number less than 20, it executes this portion. So number, we'll say number is arbitrarily 0. So number just became 1. Sum plus equal, we'll say that sum also is arbitrarily 0. Sum just got incremented by 1 because it plus equaled number to it. And then let's take a look at that. Well, we're saying here that if sum is greater than or equal to 100, exit out of the loop. Well, sum is not, so we continue to move on. All right, we do not do this. We go back to here. We reassess this loop, and we go number less than, yes it is, so number is going to get incremented to 2. 2 is going to get added to this, so this is going to become 3. Guess what? 3 is not greater than 100. We do it again, so number became 3. 3 becomes 6, still low, becomes 4, becomes 10. We're starting to get a little bigger, becomes 5, becomes 15, still low, becomes 6, becomes 21, becomes 7, becomes 28, becomes 8, becomes 36, becomes 9. I know this is long. You can skip ahead if you want. 45. I want to make sure that you guys get this. Becomes a 10, becomes a 55, because you can see I'm actually going to stop before this loop ends. So let's see, 11, 66, 12, 78. I'm going to move everything down here. So 13 plus 78 is 91. 14, guess what? I want to point this out. I'm at 14. I'm right here, right now. So 91 plus 14 is going to give me 105. Sum now equals 105. Well, what happens? If sum 105 is greater than or equal to 100. Notice number, this is number, is only 14. This is sum. Now, 14, I should run through this 6 more times, right? No, because what's going to happen is I'm going to execute this break statement. I'm going to go if, oh, well, that's true. Break, and what happens is that break statement says immediately exit out of the loop, and so system.out.println, the sum is 105. So take this code, actually kind of put it out there and see if you can match the exact same answer.